Back in the game, boys. I don't know if I showed you guys this truck, and I'm sorry, it's been absolutely hectic. You know how it is. You got a 1-year-old, fresh house. Picked up this 94 C1500 about a month and a half ago from this kid. Good runner. Throttle body 350. Oh, what's going on here? What are we at? 219,000. Decent interior, roach dash. This truck cannot be from Ohio. $1,500 is what I paid for this. So, I don't like hood pins. Don't judge me. It's just how it is. The accessory bracket decided to shear the bottom bolts in through the belt. I have no idea why I did that. Actually, I do. It's missing a bracket from the alternator back to the intake. Whatever. I was like, you know what? I'll just pull it apart, fix it, etc., etc. Except for this little issue here. This thing drinks antifreeze, 220K. And I thought I was just going to leave it alone. Oh man. Picked up an LQ4 from a friend of mine. It was all built, allegedly. More like the top end was built. Had a big hog cam in it. Got it for a pretty good deal, all things considering post-COVID. It's got brand new, I shouldn't say brand new, but how about freshly machined heads. He gave me a stock cam for it. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Probably be fuel injected. I mean, why not? I'm tired of doing carb. I mean, it costs more money to do a carb conversion, even if you use a Chinese Amazon sourced intake manifold. You're still going to have $700-800 into it, including the spark box. So you might as well just go OE. So yeah, that's the plan. This thing's getting an LQ4. It's got an early 4L60 in it, like the first or second year where it was electronic. I may keep that. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Just thought I'd share this as project goes on. I will have more videos for you guys. More updates. No clue on the motor. It's a mystery motor. Yeah, it came with super expensive, like black comp cams lifters. I don't know if they're even made. They're not made by Comp. What am I kidding? They're Johnson or rebadged Morels. This motor's in good shape, I think. Don't look at the cam bearings while I'm going to look at them. I might still be able to get away with them. I don't know yet. So yeah, 6-liter swapping of this pig. Probably have it done by this winter. Keep you posted.